So let's try to solve this problem. So this problem is actually taken from an SAT math reviewer, and it is something related to geometry. So what I'm going to do is to analyze and explain to you how it is being solved. So if the area of rectangle ABDE, which is shown below, is 16 square inches, and C is the midpoint of BD. What is the area in square inches of triangle ACE? So first is we're going to let's have the choices first. So A is 2, B is 4, C is 6, and D is 8. So what do you think is the answer for this? So the answer for this is actually D. So why is it D? So first thing to do is to label first by whatever is in the given. It says that the area of the rectangle ABDE is 16 square inches. So this is ABDE, so that's the entire rectangle. So the area is 16 square inches. So that's for the entire rectangle. Now, the second given, C is the midpoint of BD. So this is very important. It should be given, which makes it easier for us to solve. So C is the midpoint. If you say midpoint, it's exactly in the middle of the segment BD. So this is the BD, and C is the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So that means this and this are having the same length. So we don't know the length, but we are sure that they are equal. So I'm going to put two small segments just to show that these two lengths are equal. Now the question is, what is the area in square inches of the triangle ACE? So triangle ACE is this. So this is what we are after. So we're after of knowing the area of this triangle. All right. So now the first thing to do is to separate this into two sides. Since we know that C is the midpoint, then we can say that from here we can make an imaginary line, and these two sides, this and this, I mean not the sides but the rectangle or square. We don't know if it's square or rectangle, but these two parts being separated from an area of 16 square inches will be having an area of 8 square inches. So where do we get 8? Because that's half of 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So the entire rectangular square, it looks like a square, but we're not sure if it's a square. But the smaller rectangle, just use rectangle to be safe, is 8 square inches. Now, since it is divided by diagonals, then we can say that it's also taken half of that 8. So this is 4 square inches. This is also 4 because since this line passes through the diagonal. So if it's a diagonal of the rectangle or a square, then it means it cuts the figure into half. So same thing on the other side. This is 4 square inches. This is also 4 square inches. So since we know that the two parts, the triangles, the two triangles with the red shade are both 4 square inches, then that means you can just simply add the two. So the area of the triangle, area of the triangle. So I'll just make triangle ACE. is equal to, so we're gonna add the two, this one, the two areas which are part of, both are part of the triangle. So 4 plus 4, which is 8. So that's why it's 8 square inches. Alright, so I hope you have learned something in this video, and please subscribe to my channel to help improve my um, the channel, that a simple channel that I have made to help everyone answer their math problems.